documents, sale deeds, or any other type of printouts. We make your life easier by creating long-lasting impressions on paper. My role at Cartridgewell has been fairly simple. Understanding customer needs and serving them in the most cost-effective way while also ensuring quality, be it a IT major, a financial institution, a garment manufacturer, or home office, a housewife, and nowadays students who are trying to study from home. So today I'm glad for this opportunity to talk about my company, Cartridgewell. So this is some of the press coverage about us in the global media. Our company helps our clients to reduce their impact on the environment. So every cartridge that gets reused by using our services is actually a saving in to the environment in so many ways. Every cartridge while manufacturing consumes about a gallon of oil, that's close to 3 to 4 liters of oil. And once the cartridge is finished usage, when you throw it out, it takes about 450 years to decompose. And usually around 70% of the cartridges are thrown out into the landfill. And out of those cartridges, 75% are recyclable, but only 30% gets recycled. And if you were to stack one cartridge back to back in a circle, and that be enough to circle the earth 3 times from out of the cartridges that are thrown in a single year. So with that environmental commitment, our company is ensuring that we have a green initiative to reuse the cartridges as many times as possible without sending them directly to landfill. I told you some of the segment that I want to focus and describe today. The first one is garment manufacturers. So these are the plotter devices. These are large devices which they use to print markers, which will be again placed on top of the garment, and they'll be cutting the garment based on the marker design that is created. So garment manufacturers use tons and tons of these markers in their manufacturing of garments, and inside these plotters are cartridges which are inkjet cartridges, usually made by HP. These are the engines that fit into the plotters. The plotters might be a German machine or a Chinese machine, but the engine will usually be a HP print engine which uses a HP cartridge, and they will have to throw this away. We help them to reuse these cartridges after refilling. So plotter cartridge refilling we've been doing for certain large corporates, garment manufacturers like Gokaldas and Shahi. These are all again thanks to BNI Connects. So over the last 1.5 years, we have helped these companies to refill and reuse more than 2,000 cartridges. So that's the impact of gallons of oil that would have saved for these companies in ensuring that they are refilling and reusing the cartridges. Similar to them, I am looking to get connected to IT heads and admin or procurement heads in these other large garment manufacturers based in Bangalore. That is Texport, Jockey, Arvind, Prateek, and Pradhan Mercantile. So I'm looking forward to get connected to them. There are already some of the members who are connecting me to such corporates, so that's fantastic. The other segment that I want to highlight today is the large corporates, the enterprise user, who will be usually using a laser printer, and we have our compatible cartridges. These are cartridges manufactured by our company, suitable for these type of laser printers made from brands like HP, Canon, Samsung, Brother, and few other brands. So similar to these, to give an example, these are the large corporates we have served, Northern Trust, Tejas Network. These are some of the IT companies who are not printing a lot due to the current requirement to keep employees away from each other. And there are other large enterprises like Bamul, Nimans Hospital, Ibisu Diagnostic Centers who are continuing to print with us even during these months. So I'm looking to get introduced to such enterprises who will still be printing in today's situation. So I'm looking to get connected to procurement heads in HAL, Silk Board, Robert Bosch, and healthcare, Motherhood Hospital or Family Doctor Plus, even in government entities like Bangalore Metro. And thanks to the next feature presenter who is helping us become the last word when it comes to printing. So Veneri is helping us to cater to the renters who do not want to invest in the asset that is a printer. So through the help with them, we are able to rent Xerox printers to the people, enterprises who are looking to. The other segment is individuals. This is a segment which I am highlighting especially today because we have been able to add more products and services to our portfolio that is helpful for an individual to print whatever they need at home. So we sell inkjet and ink tank printers and the consumable that goes into these printers. I'm just giving you a whole list so that it becomes easy to understand for the members that how easy it is to refer Arun Jivraj from Cartridge World. So these are all on a day-to-day basis being used by individuals. Some of them also use laser printers, and through Arun Venkatacharya we provide the photo paper or the A4 paper. We also take pride in refilling of inkjet cartridges, which is normally not a reliable service, but we provide 100% money back guarantee on that. Then when it comes to laser cartridges, these are the ones that are having a long impact on the environment, because as I told you earlier, this takes at least 450 years and sometimes up to even 1000 years to decompose. So even customers who buy compatible cartridges from us, we ensure that we collect their empty cartridge and put it to a refilling option so that the
Arun, you have 1.5 minutes.
Sure, thank you. Then we sell compatible cartridges. Now, recent addition is our printer repair services. We are able to provide on-site printer repair, and when the printer cannot be repaired, we give them an exchange value so that it can be put to some use. We even sell the printouts services, and this is a new addition. We sell router for the Wi-Fi, UPS for the Wi-Fi router. And as I said, we are one destiny with many solutions. Another segment is the Cartridge World pickup point. We are identifying laptop repair centers to become a pickup point for Cartridge World to provide our services, where everything is managed by us. But at the end of the day, the pickup point, the laptop repair center, is able to add more revenue through their existing customers while we are managing everything on their behalf. So looking forward to get connected to such laptop repair centers across Bangalore. We have already 5 centers like this. Our target is to have hundreds of them. And that's about it from our side. So thank you very much for this opportunity, LT, and that introduction. And once again, I'm just trying to give you the idea that it is easy to refer us. Please do refer us, because the referrals that you pass to us is much more meaningful than what you could imagine right now. Thank you for all the fantastic support. Thank you.